OPEC and partners, where do we start? So guys, after much volatility and ongoing talks, Thursday dragging through to Friday, even on Saturday, and then remember when it looked like we almost had an agreement, the country Mexico threw much doubt over the deal. They were blocking it, but then now the Mexican president on Saturday said, look, they're willing to participate. After speaking to the US President Donald Trump, the US will help cover any shortfall that Mexico cannot provide in terms of cut, which is good. Okay, so it looks like the OPEC and partners are heading for a 10 million barrels per day cut. That could go on to be as much as 15 million. It just depends on all partners playing their part, so on and so forth. But the market, the base case, what they're expecting, what they're pricing in, is at least 10 million as a bare minimum. But just on top of all of that, just to throw a little bit more uncertainty, guys, this morning, according to sources familiar with the matter, Saudi Arabia at the moment, and they're obviously the largest producer, are at the present holding off announcing their crude prices, okay, their crude oil prices, until a solid agreement has been there and signed by OPEC and the participating partners. So just a little bit of uncertainty at the moment, just at the time that I've written this blog and recording this video. Nevertheless, look, what are we expecting in terms of market reaction? Given the fact that it's the bare minimum, yes, we could still see a relief rally for crude oil. I believe that rally could very well, if we do see that relief, that it's going to be short-lived. The reason that I say that is at the end of the day, despite these cuts, oil at the moment is still a faltering market. Okay, it's still very much faltering. Why? Because of the economic crisis, the spread of COVID-19 is causing massive limitations. There's a lack of transportation and need for flights at the moment, which flights are a heavy consumer of fuel, which requires oil, so on and so forth. Just logistics and transportation in general is still generally grinded to a halt, given all the lockdowns globally. So that's why I still believe that any rallies that we potentially see in oil remain at risk of being sold quite strongly by the bears, and keep that in mind as well with if you look at the FX markets with CAD. So guys, look, other than that, I'll bring you another update should I get that when things are clear, because they have been a bit hazy with OPEC and partners. But other than that, that's it from me. Let's get it.